Wood is one of the most sustainable raw materials on the planet. A growing tree absorbs carbon dioxide, removing it from the atmosphere. Products made of wood continue to store carbon, sometimes for hundreds of years. Wood is all around us, from stunning wooden buildings to beautiful furniture and hardwood floors. Everyday products such as paper and packaging are made from it. And did you know that even your clothes may be made of wood? When no longer used or needed, wood products can be recycled or used for energy production. Using wood is great, but we need to make sure that we don't harm our forests. PEFC Forest Certification safeguards our forests. PEFC certified products come from forests that are managed sustainably, so they will be around for generations to come. If there's one thing you can do to help, it is to buy certified products. Choose PEFC. PEFC, caring for our forests globally.